Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have number 2, and this one is for Courage. Break quickly to start rushing for the years. There is a Balkan lady. Then next on line is a Princess Joe. In between horses, Private Thoughts. Then followed over by Asika. So Priceless Joy. Then comes Colonial Star. Alimentador. Dinagyang Wild Angel of Mercy is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch. We have Balkan Lady on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Port Courage in second. Princess Joyce racing in third. Asikaso to take fourth, and in fifth comes Private Thoughts. Colonial Star comes next, then followed by Priceless Joy. Alimentador, Angel of Mercy second last, while Dinagyang now racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Balkan Lady enjoying a 2 lengths lead, and in second is a Princess Joe. Asikaso, Private Thoughts now trying to get closer in fourth. Colonial Star likewise arriving at the scene, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Balkan Lady, they want to catch up, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Asikaso in second, Priceless Joy or Princess Joy still in third. Last 100 meters with Balkan Lady, this time by about 6, and finally Lumar on Balkan Lady. Asikaso, Princess Joy, Private Thoughts, Colonial Star, and Priceless Joy.
And it's a wire-to-wire finish for entry number 10, Balkan Lady, with Louis Lunar.